Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Gameplay Classic. In this video, I'm going to show you how to download and install the AFK Journey game on your smartphone. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the iOS App Store or the Google Play Store depending on your device. And once you open it up, tap on the search box and then type in AFK Journey and start your search. Once you find the AFK Journey game, go ahead and tap on it. And you can tap on the install button, which will now begin the download and installation of the AFK Journey game on your device. Just wait for a while until the installation is completed. And once it is done, you will see the play button, which you can tap on in order to open up the game right away. And once the game is opened up, you can proceed forward with signing up to create a new account or logging in to your existing one in order to start enjoying the game right away. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to download and install the AFK Journey game on your smartphone. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.